by itself, also known as a simple sentence. An independent clause contains a subject and a predicate. It makes sense by itself. Example of an independent clause. The teacher returned the exam papers. Teacher is the subject. Return the exam papers is the predicate.
1.
Dependent clause or subordinate clause is a clause that cannot stand alone as a sentence.
Action.
Example of a dependent clause. After she noticed the error.
Simple sentence is a sentence structure that contains one independent clause and no dependent clause. Game na. Example of a simple sentence. The teacher gave the students a quiz.
Game.
Compose sentence.
Tama na eh!
Compound bakla.